Manipuri cinema da lamdam asige leihaugi machat mayek sengna yawna maram oiraga malimgi miyamda Manipuri cinema gi top machat ase khanghanba ngambani haina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana phongdokhrei wafam ase tarataruk suba Manipur Style Film Awards English singani kunmari lantopagi tharamda mahakna phongdokhibane Manipur Style Film Development Society na sinna Palace Compound leiba society asige Palace Auditorium da pangtokiba tharam aduga mari lengna Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana hai cinema haibasi entertainment gi form amakhak nate masidi wari libagi yamna mapangal leba medium ama oibada natana lamdam aduge nat ki saktam utliba medium amane cinema na lamdam amage nat ki liklam manghandana thamna ba honabada achauba thudang ama lauribane pung ahum khak sangba film ama namna ba honabada artist director amade film adu namna ba honabada chen chongliba singna hotnariba sing adu araiba nate makoi bu pukning thogat pa haibasi yamna mak matau tai haina mahna phongdukhi mahna makata na hai haurakliba filmmaker singna anoba wari sing puthokna miyamda unanaba hotnan haninge aikoina aikoigi oiba wari lon nat amade value sing yokatuna thamba yamna maru oi Manipur ge cinema gi mapangal ase Manipur cinema da lamdam asige leihau gi machat yawba asine machat ase yawba maramna malemda Manipur cinema khanghan bada chawna ngak lo piba ngamgadoribane ngase award fangliba sing amade award ase lanthokna bahona bada chen chongliba sing busu thagatli haina mahakna makhata ki
The Manipur State Film Awards have an important role in recognizing artistic excellence, encouraging emerging filmmakers, strengthening the film culture of the state, and promoting Manipuri cinema beyond regional boundaries. Such platforms not only honor achievements but also inspire future generations to pursue cinema with greater dedication and purpose. I would especially like to encourage young filmmakers to continue exploring new stories, new perspectives, and innovative cinematic techniques. At the same time, it's important that we preserve our local stories, languages, traditions, and values.
Thauramadu mari lenana Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana hai cinema na miyoi ba khunaida achauba inot ama pibana cinema haiba art form asi yamna maru oiba ama oiri khusu khulai gi awat pa leiba amade yengbina ba missing wat pa namaram oiraga Manipur cinema asi pak sanna chauthokhanba ngamdan leire Manipur cinema asi hena chaukhatna ba hotna bada lenga ki maike gi pangba yaba mateng pangani miyamna su Manipur cinema asi hena khumang chaushina ba hotna minasi haina mahakna makhata ki
Human motivation is cinema se those. Then cinema kuni makta hoye apaba phataba yawrasu. Mayam je edi yengi baina je gidi ba mayam na phataba do minus karoganda apaba do huwa kuni Manipuri film cinema se hoye equipment what one problem facility kya what degi basi hoye hena sawthon bangamde aina takdi badu I don't allow you drink a leap, Madam D. I got ye film industry, see limitation. I am is a high tide, we population jam the boogie, Basi Kuda. Karamonda, I Karamonda, Toan, but given.
Ngasigi thauramadu kumjai English singani kunmari gi MSFDS Lifetime Achievement Award lamdamasigi saknairaba makeup artist ngangbam Swarnajita lantoktana ikai kumna budki non-feature film category da Andro Dreams amade feature film category da Marebak Ningba Hirachandra da best film ge award lantokki non-feature film category da Andro Dreams haiba film asida Mina Longjam da best director award ki mana kusinaki the Untiring Women Haiba film dana Amarjit Maibamda special jury mention Kwatha film Kaba Haiba film Asigidama Kaba Maimumda best film of a debut director Andro Dreams ki damal Sankazit Biswasta best editor film Asimaktada Sani Sarungbamda best cinematographer ge award kusinaki feature film category da Thambal film da Pinky Saikom na best actress Marebak Ningba Hirachandra film da Naurim Pilot da best actor Mel Joseph ki macha gidamal Haubam Pravan Kumar da best director film Asimaktada Haubam Pravan Kumar amasung Sudhir Nauribam da best screenplay writer amasung best screenplay adapted Padmasri Guru Ruben Mangsava da best lyricist Tamphamani film da Arvind Soibam da best male playback singer Thambal film ge Damak Nganthoibi Ningthozam da best female playback singer Marebak Ningba Hirachandra ki damak Huidrom Anil da best music director amasung background score Marebakning Bahira Chandragidamak Abuzam Ragini Amasung Wangjam Chandrima Chanuda Best Makeup Artist Thambalgidamak SH Inaucha Sarmada Best Art Designer Joseph Ki Machagidamak Sabia Chipalda Best Audiographer Location Sound Recordist Marebakning Bahira Chandragidamak Loitongbam Sunil Amasung Boni Ningthozada Best Sound Designer Joseph Ki Machagidamak Sankazit Biswas Amasung Marebakning Bahira Chandragidamak Yoy Mayai Mongsaba Best Editor Joseph Ki Machagidamak Joydip Bosta Best Cinematographer, Thambal Gidamak, Lamganbi Laishram da Best Child Artist, Thambal Gidamak, Rina Ningthosam da Best Supporting Actor Female, Marebakning Bahira Chandra da Best Supporting Actor Male ke award piduna ikaikum nabut ki, ngasi tharamadu da Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala, Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan amadi Art and Culture ke Minister Khuraizam Lokena, Mathang Sitna Chief Guest, President amadi Guest of Honor oina sarugya ki.